Here's how to remove a link on your Instagram bio. Now here you can see I have my iPhone and my Android. I'm going to walk you through the exact steps on both phones so that no matter what phone you have, you're good to go. The first thing we're going to do is get to your profile. So tap on the profile button at the bottom right. And here you can see if I tap on links here, I have multiple links. To remove them, tap on Edit Profile right under your bio. And then tap on Links midway down. You can see, again, I have two links. Just tap on the link you want to remove. And then just tap Remove Link and remove. Now, after you've done that and you only have one link or maybe 0 links, if you go back out of here to your profile and swipe down, you'll be able to see now I only have that one link. Of course, if you removed all of them, you won't have any. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too. And thanks for watching.